standing right here looking at the road. This is our property over here, but man, like, well, this is too, but this is the fence part. This is cool, dude, just looking down. Should I try to let Kilo off?
Yeah.
Come here, boy. Yeah, you gonna leave them in there? Come here. You don't listen. Come on. All right. Killer, come on. Come on. Good boy. All right, we're giving him a chance. We know Milo and Kane will follow us, but Killer. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hey, come on, boy. Come on. Good boy. Good job. Take y'all on the view. This is where the reptiles are going to be, so I'm planning the greenhouse. This is only half of it. This is just the base, too, so I'm going to have to just start framing and then putting it together, and that's going to go right there. We got this big field. We're going to do the fire right here tonight, and what I want to do is keep everything towards the back at first and then move forward, because, yeah, we got 5 acres and all that other land, but I want to get everything in here and just have this as the basic animal area for now, and we farm on all of this for now. Get used to that, and then we'll expand. We got our whole lives for this shit, literally. So, yeah, I'm gonna start building. Just do a small greenhouse first. Make sure I can, like, actually build the structure, even though, of course, we know I can. And then go from there. Yeah, over here, me and Anissa are gonna probably do it to stay a little bit away. Right here or over here. So we probably do the turtle pond right here and the other gator snapper right here. And maybe, yeah, so that's gonna look cool. The whole field before. And then after a long day of work, this shit's gonna look cool, man. I've been waiting forever for this shit. Me and Anissa finna snap. Good boy. Killer ain't never been back here. Oh yeah, it's on a leash. I'm trusting him today. And he runs like a fucking cheetah, so if he sees something, hopefully he stays with me. As long as don't nothing attack us. And these cows, our neighbors have cows right back here, so hopefully he doesn't. Hey boy, where you going? He saw something. Oh crap. No! That's barbed wire, nigga. Come here. Here's our peach tree. Hey, no. Oh, God. Yo, this dog did not listen. Some water. She know all the tricks. Animal mommy. He's too damn crazy. He stopped listening when he saw something. This shit from some crackhead and hoarder people. But we not trying to be like Uncle Ben, so we ain't gonna call this a crack house, even though it was. It was, shit. Yeah. We got
we just say it's a hoarder house.
A hoarder house? A whorehouse?
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so we got all this damn fence, and I'm just gonna put it in the ground real quick before we eat. Over here, some scrap wood and metal. I just need a little piece. Little cat is that I saw. I'm pretty sure these people that were here left their cat, or it could have just been living here. But now that the dogs are here, I think be staying far away or under the shed. Recording, but Lil Stanley had got out and got all the way down there and was stuck in there. And Killer was out, so I had to hurry up and get him back in. But I'm gonna show y'all every little thing we do. So I'm fixing this piece right here, and he definitely won't be able to push out now. Over here, the emus, they're getting some water. I'm gonna feed them after we eat. I'm doing all this and ain't even ate yet, so let me go. It's too hot for that. Cannot forget to eat. Gotta eat 4 times a day. Gotta drink water 1,000 times a day. Cause dehydration is real. And I will pass the fuck out. Hey boy, how you like your new home? Stanky leg. Stanley boy, what you think? Man, this is cool, huh? And then here's our old barn. It's really jacked up, but I'm using it to keep a lot of wood. That's like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 pieces of wood. Still got a bunch more in the U-Haul. And we put some in here. So, yeah, I don't trust this barn though. And Anisha definitely don't need that damn barn. She said it's gonna collapse on me. She just be trying to help me. She cares. But today I'm grilling tonight because it's the third day. We're a little more comfortable, got more shit set up. I'm grilling tonight, do a campfire tonight. So, it's starting to be more fun. I mean, it is fun, shit. Living in the middle of nowhere, building from the ground up. We don't even got a house. Shit's fun, but man, tonight's gonna be cool. Hopefully I get to see her titties. No, I'm just kidding. I always see her titties. Bae! I just said bae, and this grown-ass roofing man responded. So, we do have a carport, and then we can't use the house. So our toiletries in here. We just went grocery shopping. Video games. Animal food, dog food, our clothes. We're literally living out the van, and every time we leave the property, we take the dogs just in case. Because one or two people can't steal these big ass dogs, but it's 10 people working on our house, and we don't trust them like that. So we take the dogs with us everywhere we go. And we'd only leave like once a day, but still, definitely not gonna lose one of our dogs. So. You know, dogs are family, man. Dogs, even though they piss you off and act crazy, dogs are family. The kitchen right now. You got a cooler. The bugs fucking with you, ain't it? Yeah. It's all good, though. So we got this one and those two, and we're gonna start back there and do this one together, right, babe? I'm gonna rake some of that up first, because it was easier to dig in the emu cage after I so. I'm gonna rake this up. I already started a little bit, and then we'll be able to dig right through. This would be for the big turtles, and that'll probably be for the gator snapper, or common snapper, vice versa. It doesn't matter. Here's Anissa's. Bro, we working hard, man, and here's mine. It's not as deep, but I cleared the whole top part mostly. So, I think she got more progress done going down than me, but square footage. Not that it matters, but just giving y'all an update. That's gonna be the Snapper Turtles pond. This is gonna be the Red Sliders pond. Kane is back there being annoying. But we taking a quick break.
Oh, I thought you touched the cane. Yeah, so I don't know how we're gonna solve this cane issue. Probably once everybody stops coming on our property, it'd probably be way better. Yeah. And we're also gonna put his.
Yeah, he got separation anxiety.
Yo, Kyle had some rabbits. Kyle had them rabbits in the refrigerator and snake, yo.
Rats and rabbits in the fridge was unplugged.
And they stink.
Start the whole damn carport.
Once they leave, I'm gonna have to put soap or something.
I got most of that one up though. I scrubbed
No, probably just water, yeah.
Yeah, and scrub. But yeah,
it feels
Kane.
like rain. But yeah, Kane won.
He used to being in the bed with us, so now that he's not with us every second, he's going crazy. He'll get used to it though.
But we were not laying down all the time.
No, yeah.
That nigga was definitely by himself for a while.
Yeah, sure.
In a whole other room, like locked up. Not locked up, but like separated. And he was not working like this excessively. And he can see us. He can see everybody. So I don't know. None of the other dogs are acting like this.
We should probably dig them a small pond, right?
Probably. A shallow one.
A shallow one, yeah. So we built this basic pen. We're gonna add these pieces on top so that the tortoises can't escape. Hi YouTube. Redfoot tortoise pen is done. These guys have this wood that's in the ground, so they won't be able to dig out. And it's sturdy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Back here. sir. And over there, I'm gonna build a little building. We're gonna have to build one of these holes. So, it's not deep enough though. Probably should find a shorter piece of wood. No, I did it on an angle, so hopefully it goes down like this. We're finna see. We got the frame out for this shed part. Now we're gonna put this on. I could bury that. And we should be all good. I'm gonna dig the hole a little deeper though. Now, this is the Redfoot enclosure. They got a shade box. They got this little pond. It's deeper than it looks, but I didn't want them to be able to be fully submerged and drowning. Here's the female and the male, and this is what we did. Y'all see the pond back there we dug up? Got them some shade. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're still digging back there, but so. Only thing I'm thinking is this pond, but it'll do better as time goes on. Oh, let me spray these guys. They're eating grass already. Hold these babies off. Just refilled their water. Let's look at the Redfoots though. Yes, sir. She's right here. They're eating grass. And man, pretty cool. What y'all think? Yeah, it's 30. I put that bitch in the ground. Alright, here go our babies. And I put a before picture up right here. Looks way better. Even the pond turned out pretty good. Yep. Now that's next. Probably do that when it cools off. We're gonna take a big break. Cause we've been working.
That's a hard-working man right there. I stopped and took a break. The sun was beating me. I felt like I was gonna die.
Yeah, I ain't want to stop and break until I finish this enclosure, and I'm proud of it. The pond is a little dirty, but it'll start clearing up. I ain't tripping over that. And in the wild, they would be drinking something dirtier than that. I do love it though. And
you look sexy.
Thank you, babe. Man, y'all gonna see this shit, and what I do with this, basically, I'll let y'all know. I'm gonna put a frame up like this, and we're gonna be able to step over. It's gonna be shaded with all the scrap wood. Might use some metal. Chopper, the common snapper, and Phillip, the albino radial slider, will be right in there next to the Redfoot. And yeah, it's gonna look really good, man. I really am happy that we're out here. Kane's going crazy. Oh, they're trying to eat the same piece of leaf.
What's it called? Lady in the Tramp. They actually eating the grass, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start bringing hay and stuff, weeds over here for them every morning.
Oh wait, I'm fucking.